What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. How are y'all doing today? We're gonna go dumpster diving today. I did one scrap pickup today already, and this one's right here at the storage unit, and the yard sale man wants it gone, so we will make that disappear for him and go put it with our scrap stuff. And yeah, and then we'll go and empty it out. That ought to do it. Just going around the other side of the building there. I'd assume he wants this gone too. Alright. Cool. On we go. Next stop, dumpster. I'll show y'all the first dumpster. No matter how good and bad it is. Alright, first dumpster. Looks like we got some stuff. Well, maybe the metals are. No, there's a filing cabinet in there. Woo, score. I'm not a score. You'd think I'd hit him. Come on, door. There we go. You'd think I'd found $1 million. I'm finally getting a dumpster dive. Been a little bit. Been scrapping, but I hadn't got the dumpster dive. Oh. It ain't that heavy, but you know what? I'll take it. Perfect. Let's double check in here. There might be some. This is a storage place, so I think we looked in here the other day, didn't we? A little bit. And a box of Bibles. They're gone now, though. How about that? Here's some screws and stuff. We'll take them. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so we gotta start. Something behind there. What's that? Oh, it's a big old truck. Semi truck. Truck's knocking, isn't it? Hear it? Something. Oh, alright, let's go. Oh, wow, a brake line or something. Thought we had something better than that. Okay. Third dumpster is strike out, kind of. On we go. Oh, what's this? Okay, see Thunder? Anybody a Thunder fan? Keychains and stuff with some brass keys on it, or the knife key thing. That's kind of cool. Knife. Some wool socks. Footies. Sorry, dude. See if you... Some Vaseline. There's a hat still in the package. No, it's in like in a Ziploc. That's kind of cool though. I might keep it. Oh, it's not never been worn. Still got the new merchandise in the dumpster, man. It's kind of cool. Makes you wonder what's in here. Some sheets and stuff. Real digging. Alright. Reckon that's all I've got. On we go. Something. Can, man. What is this stuff? Some buckets down there. It's like an old, some coax. Oh, there's some, that's an Xbox or something. Oh, there's some scrap right here. It was an Xbox. Let me grab the coax. HDMI. Some aluminum or something. Alright, let's go get a grabber or something. Hook. Those are in there. That didn't work out like I wanted to. One more trip. Those are brand new. Never used. I don't know if I can get it or not. Been here too long now. Let me put this up. I got a grabber. My sister got me. Yeah, buddy. There's a tablet down there. Let's get this. It's just a box. Here's the part to it. I wonder if I can get that tablet out of there. That's be hard to do. I got so many darn tablets, honestly. I'm not that worried about it. Let's just go with this. Honest, just leaving a cheap Amazon tablet. You get 5 cents a pound for that board sword, so something like that, maybe a little more. So on we go with the show. I don't like sticking around here very long. It's not a very, just a place I don't want to stick around. I don't know. I like aluminum. We'll take it. We don't want this part, so we'll just throw it right there. Christmas tree. Oh, it's once of the branches come off. I'll get some of the branches. Cool. On we go. We'll rearrange here in a minute. Don't worry, folks. I know it's pestering you, but I'll get to a place that I can do it. Is that a pan? No. I see a cord though. It's a toaster. That's what that is, a toaster. We'll take a toaster. The rest of that's just regular old trash. Bunch of books. Full of books again. It's just a private school type thing. Colorful looking toaster in it. Alright. You scared me a little bit. No, it's alright. I don't know if I can grab it or not. I just seen that there and I was like, oh cool. Some aluminum and stuff, you know.
There's no telling what
I usually check it every Sunday. I got it. Somebody walk. You're fine. You're doing your job. There we go. Yep. That's when I do all this because, you know, just extra money. Have a good one. I didn't mean to scare her. I'd be scared of me too. Guy with a hook. At least they're nice. Let's not leave a mess. A couple more Christmas trees. Alright. Yeah, lots of pretty decent score. I mean, I think it's the best piece of scrap we found all day. You guys want a tote? Gotta crack it up. Cheap tote. I guess I'll go check this one. Y'all guys want to go with me? I've never found anything in this one, but I'll check it. You mean you leave your truck right in with the door open? Yeah, I do. On we go. Oh God, I quit. I quit for the day. Jeez. See if there's anything in the bag I want to. Never know. Never know. Could be some wires or a pin or nothing. Alright, cool. There is some stuff in here. That is for sure. Alright, we're gonna have to be careful about all that. I might have to back up to the dumpster or something. This is a cord to something. Nothing. Where did I see that hunk of goodness? Look at there. Brand new pair of gloves. Magnetic gloves too. That's a lot. I don't want to bust some lights, is what I'm trying not to do. Is that aluminum? still, I don't want them to think I'm dumping here. It's a thing. Golly, this little thing's got money and stuff in it. Didn't I see some money? Yeah. And a medal. It's got a peso. What we got in there? A quarter. Some, oh, those are from India or something. Cool, man. There's another cord hanging out. I can tell what all's in here. Oh, I need one of these. Yes. Heck yeah. To turn your water off. That's a heck yeah, man. I don't know why they're throwing that away. I'm gonna dig around in here more. It's got money in it. Oh, if I bust them, I'm in trouble. Okay, I'm just skimming the top. I know. I'm a scaredy cat. I think if there's anything else good, it'll be gonna be. If I be right here for this. Some short still. What was that? Oh, heck yeah. Alright. Another trip. It's a tomato case, I think. Something similar that I don't want to mess with. Want some more of them though. Cup. Another one of them. What was that? Cup? No. Oh, that's a chunk of brass. Oh, believe it or not, this little right here chunk of stuff weighs about 30 pounds probably. That's a chunk of brass. I'm gonna have to get a stick or something to prod around in there. There's a ballast. There's another piece of steel. Take it. Tired of it getting in my way. What's this? Take that. It's hard to see. Another ballast, it looks like. do this. That's a mess. Oh, I wish I could move these lights. See, the rest of that's just regular normal trash stuff, so I just want to make sure I'm not forgetting nothing. Alright, well, I guess that's probably it. We'll just keep it. Already got it. Let's close that back, I guess. Oh, man. Just there. There's some metal. Oh, there's more water bottles. No, I really don't want them. Shirts with insulation all over. Russellville Cyclones. (2016). All right. I don't tell them what we're leaving back there, but some dumpsters you just can't get in. A stick. That's probably aluminum. What are these looking things? Display shelves of some sort. Alright. Wampa wampa. On we go. I'm gonna reorganize that here in a minute. Voila! That's better, ain't it? All kinds of room now. There's a shump pack right here. I don't think I can. It's metal bottom and everything. It's only got a whole fence on top of it with some cedar logs that are old. Well, I guess we'll just take the cord. I wonder if I can smooth that just enough. There's a piece of rebar there too. Oh, there. I think we got enough room now, don't we? There we go. That was the hardest shop back I've ever had to work for. Wow, we got you out. Or to get you trimmed up. We're finding, don't look like much, but we got some good scrap in there today. Let's see if we can get that little piece of rebar out. I don't think you'll do it. Magnet stick might, but there's so much stuff around it. It'd be pointless to. Might be part of the fence. Yeah, it's part of the fence. Yeah, it's part of the fence. Wrapped around there. Alright. Nope, plastic. Plastic. Not even no aluminum. On we go. Here's a screen. Oh, there's some ceiling fan blade. Let's get the old sister grabber. Put them things to work. Oh, I'll break it. I don't know, it's one of those ones that come apart. Okay, maybe it was a... It'll pick up an Xbox, but it won't pick up a fan blade. Gotta get that aluminum. That's because it's got the old sheetrock on it. There we go. Let's get... I'd say somebody grab the motor. Like, we don't want those fan blades. I'll take them. I like aluminum. I had to block a driveway, but I seen a cord, an extension cord here, and get it out. Yeah, I'll take an extension cord. Cool. A few bucks. Oh, right. Vacuum cleaner. Get in my truck. Cool. Yeah, it all adds up. It all adds up. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, it keeps everything in.
That's a different truck.
Yeah, I still got my big one.
Yeah.
But, well, yeah, it's a little better on gas mileage. Because gas is... Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, when he took off, remember?
Yeah. That's the way it goes. You gotta have your truck when the Republicans in. You gotta have a vehicle when the Democrats. I have a good. Yeah. I like him. He's a nice feller. He set out some brass. I'm seeing some sticks hanging out. At least one. Oh, nasty old mop. I guess we'll grab it since we're here. Oh. Y'all were telling me. Oh, we got a cord out of the deal. Seen something too. Cool. Take what we can get today. I see something poking out of the dumpster. Not sure what it is. A stick. Oh, we got another Christmas tree. And a curtain rod. And chunk them out. And it's plastic. Scraplife. Well, I didn't look this one over that good, did I? Same old rim sitting there right next to the dumpster. Maybe we'll grab it. They set it out for a scrap man, so let's take it. Oh, cool. There's a. We'll get this bill and get that out of there. That's nice and light. We'll put that right there. Maybe get a bungee through it. Just to hold it in there. One of those bungees came off, didn't it? Where it went. Let's there we go. Nice little chunk. I think there's some metal here. Where's that all wood? That's all wood. Dang it. Got me. Thought we had some bed frames. We got another Christmas tree today. See if I can. Oh, just tubed. Alright, I ain't reaching a little too chunky to fit through there comfortably. We'll just do the lazy way. Use our hook. Ow. Bump our head. Y'all fall off my head. That one's heavy. Some of them trees are heavy now. Let's get its tail. Call it good on that. I ain't gonna sit here and take it apart today. We're kind of fighting the sun now. I did a scrap pickup this morning before we even got started. I got a hot water heater, a washer, a big table, like a battery that weighed 100 pounds and 3 or 4 other little ones, and some copper, some brass. It was good stuff, but I didn't record it. I didn't bother to press record. As that one feller says, what's the point of having a channel if you're not gonna push record? Because, man, people don't want you recording at their house sometimes. When I say, hey, come get scrap metal, I do it. Especially when they're friends. They may not want the world to know their home address. You know what I'm saying? I just respect people's privacy. That way I can get more scrap, but I'll show y'all the scrap. I mean, golly, man. people get so picky, get upset about trash and this and that. I don't understand. On we go. Oh, that looks metal. It's like a big metal basket. It is. I'll take that. And that. Anything else like right here on top? I can put stuff down on this thing. Both of these actually. That is pretty cool. Alright, alright. Come on. That'll work. Actually. Just to keep it in the truck, huh? Alright. Cool. Oh, is it snow? It's not stripped, is it? Oh, that's something else. Whoa. What is that stuff? Huh. Something really low gauge. It's got like a copper on the outside though or something. Oh, it's a strip. That's a strip. Is that copper? I believe that out right there is. Anyway, this ain't very not that exciting today, is it? Yeah, we'll take our little smidgens and go on with our lives. Ah, a printer. Something, they'll take a printer. What's this? Oh, police car. Helicopter, helicopter. There's someone's metal band. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Hey, ain't even been open. Another case of the dumpster beer. Dang. Put that with our car collection. Put it up down here in the floorboard. All right, on we go. Good scrap. Good heavy scrap. How you doing? I see another one. Is that a fold-em up chair? Yes, it is. I knew I seen another one. Oh, that carpet's heavy. I can't move it. On we go. We'll see if these cords are in here to these CPAP machine. No, just on that one. That one feels like it might have something in it. It's got a motor in it. I say we scrap it. Oh, there's the cord. I didn't check the other one. I thought there might be a cord in there. Yeah. This one's got the brand new. Still got the dealie on it. Never used. Somebody out there could probably use it. Alright, cool. Make sure there ain't nothing else down in here. I haven't found no oxygen machines in a while, so I'd say somebody's getting them. Put it on YouTube and they taking my stuff. Or everybody's auction machines are working just fine. But you know, that really doesn't bother me that much. I'd like to find some for video purposes, but as you can tell, I still got a crap ton in my storage unit that I hadn't touched, so I don't know why I'm worried about it. On we go. I've got a tote, pull through it. I don't think we got anything really. Metal, but it's got a big old camera in it. Oh, that's just junk. We just got junk. Alright, on we go. Guess we'll do them a solid and take. This one's metal, that one's porcelain. No brass on it, so we'll take this. Sorry, battery died on that last one. I got another one of these dealing whoppers. We got room for it. Maybe. They are awkward. There we go. What's this? Oh, those are sheets. I thought we had some camo. Alright, we gotta go. Oh, we'll take a shotgun shell. It's not brass, by the way. Shotgun shells are not brass anymore. See? There's a whole hot water heater in that dang trash can right there. I don't know where I would think they'd get mad. That's crazy. I don't know where I could put it at. I just did a scrap pickup. Oh well. I have to dump it out in front of their house. No thanks. Guess I'll pass on it. Yeah, I just did a scrap pickup that I had to do. Not much. It was just a microwave, some little bits of metal. There's like a walker. I mean, it was another fold-em-up chair. I mean, I guess we could have got that hot water heater here, but that's a busy road and I didn't want to dump their trash out and right there on the road and have to deal with it. So trash guys ain't gonna take it, so I might swing back by tomorrow and get it. They may just not even touch the trash can, then I'll get it. But anyways, on we go. I guess I'll grab the stove. It's right here on the curb. Nasty one too. We can put it on the tailgate. It'll ride better than a hot water heater anyway. Come on, baby, turn. Oh, dang it. That trash can's got me. That dang old trash can fell on me. Get the strap on it. It's a nasty stove. See, if they had stuck the hot water heater, we could have got it. They stuck it down in the trash can. Cranking her in there. All right. Another Christmas tree. Let's tie you up for security reasons. Where are we gonna put these at? I like when I run out of room. Cool. I hear y'all. I hear y'all. Oh, God. There's some good heavy Short's still in there. I'll have to get out. I think we got it all. Cool. We'll have to hot water here though, I'm sure. Yeah, it's got some good short iron pieces in there I have to grab. No wonder that stove was so heavy. Guys, the fun's got to end sometime. Feel like I've been scrapping all day. Oh wait, I have. It's only 4 o'clock. The sun's about to be down here. But yeah, that's what we found today. I don't reckon we lost anything. Did we? No, we didn't. It's all still there. We could have got the hot water heater. Really could have if it had been on a not such of a busy road, like I said. Anyways, making up excuses, Coonts. Yeah, pretty much. Would you want to flip over a trash can in somebody's yard on a busy street? I would if I didn't have any scrap in the truck, probably. But we got a stove to make up the difference, so, and it was pretty heavy. So, and then we got some more trinkets there at the end. I got some brass today. Got some, and I did a good scrap pickup this morning, so it was a good day scrapping. So yeah. Oh, hey, pot and pan in there too. Oh, a sink with some brass. All right, man. It was a good scrap day. I don't think we found anything. Oh, that's one stop. We found some little trinkets and stuff. But anyways, that's what we found today. I appreciate y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm going to get working on this video and cut this outro short because it's probably going to be a long video. So y'all guys have a good one. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.